कलबुर्गी शहर में श्याम मोटर्स ने अपडेटेड यानी नवीकरण स्कॉर्पियो एन का भव्य उद्घाटन कलबुर्गी शहर के चितापुर तालुका के विधायक प्रियंक खरगे ने किया। मीडिया से बात करते हुए कलबुर्गी शहर के चितापुर तालुका के विधायक प्रियंक खरगे ने कहा कि जिस तरह का नाम है इस गाड़ी का, उसी तरह इसके फीचर्स भी है और इस गाड़ी में नए अति आधुनिक उपकरण लगाए हैं और काफी नई इंजीनियरिंग मॉडल की है इस गाड़ी में। मैं श्याम मोटर्स के मालिक आनंद शाह और उनकी टीम का अभिनंदन करता हूं कि मुझे आमंत्रित किया इस गाड़ी की उद्घाटन के लिए और इस गाड़ी की कलबुर्गी में लॉन्च हुआ। इसका मतलब है कलबुर्गी तरक्की के कतार में है, ये संदेश देता है। मीडिया से बात करते हुए श्याम मोटर्स के मालिक आनंद शाह ने कहा कि हम लोग सब जमा एक बड़ी गाड़ी की लॉन्चिंग के लिए और ये लॉन्च हमारे सम्मान्य कलबुर्गी शहर के चितापुर तालुका के विधायक प्रियंक खरगे के हाथों से हुआ है। इसके लिए मैं उनका अभिनंदन करता हूं और इस लॉन्च में आकर इसकी शोभा बढ़ाई है। महिंद्रा कंपनी की एक शानदार गाड़ी है और अब इसका अपडेटेड वर्जन निकाला है स्कॉर्पियो एन और ये ग्राहकों से काफी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है और मैं यकीन के साथ कह सकता हूं कि ये गाड़ी काफी नाम करेगी भारत देश में। चंद्रमोहन शाह, चेयरमैन शाह ग्रुप, सिद्धार्थ जैन, एरिया सेल्स मैनेजर महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा, अंश आनंद शाह, रीवा आनंद शाह, अनवर पटेल CEO शाह ग्रुप इस द बिग डैडी ऑफ SUVs ऑफ स्कॉर्पियो एन की ग्रैंड लॉन्चिंग में शामिल थे। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट UMS मीडिया।
Firstly, my apologies to the Shah family and the entire staff over here and to you as well. I just spoke to your regional manager also and offered him my apologies. This function was supposed to happen yesterday, but unfortunately because of certain political developments I was not able to make it yesterday, and when I expressed my regrets to Anand ji, he immediately said that नहीं सर आपके हाथ से ही कराएंगे, कल आप आ जाइए तो अच्छा रहेगा. So my heartfelt gratitude to you that in spite of losing business for one day, you ensure that it happens. This event is happening more for me than for anybody else. So that's a very special thing to do, and my gratitude for you always. I think this is the third time or second time I'm coming to the showroom. And last time also, when there was a launch, it was raining outside. So I think it is there's something between every Mahindra launch of Anand Shah Group and rains. It's a good thing. अच्छा संदेश है वो. तो बारिश भी हो रहा है, एक शुभ घड़ी करके माना जाता है जब भी एक शुभ काम के लिए जब बारिश आ रही है. But more importantly, I have why, although there was only one Mahindra vehicle which I owned. After that, I've never bought a Mahindra. So I think we should change that mind of mine, because the reason is, although I'm a big fan of this group, I'm not sure कि बहुत से लोग आपने महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा के बारे में पढ़ा है, सिर्फ आप उनके गाड़ी के फीचर्स पढ़े, but how Mahindra and Mahindra became Mahindra Rise is something, it's an astonishing story. Not many people know that Mahindra and Mahindra did not start like that. It was Mohammed and Mahindra. Mohammed and Mahindra started as a steel trading company. After partition, Mr. Mohammed went to Pakistan and he became the first finance minister of Pakistan. And here, if my memory is correct, two brothers, Jai and Hari Krishan Mahindra thought, okay, abhi Mohammed ji to gaye, to Mahindra and Mahindra banayenge. And they started as a steel trading company, and they were the first ones to make Willys jeeps. जो आप Willys jeeps देखते हैं, a lot of people are big fan of those jeeps back then. So World War II के बाद they started manufacturing that and the trucks. आते then they got stagnated. जिधर उनका growth नहीं हो रहा था, तो they चल रहा था until, of course, the current one of the I would think, I'm not lying if this group is led by one of the most forward-thinking and one of the most dynamic, foresighted business leaders in the world today is Anand Mahindra. So when he took over after, he also did not come directly into the automobile business as you think he did. He first started with a steel company, if I'm not mistaken, and ensured its success, and then diversified to automobiles. And automobile में भी उन्होंने क्या किया? I think Ford से he had a tie-up, right? because Indian manufacturing, nobody in India knew how to make a car from scratch. So he tied up with Ford and got the Escort. So that was the first vehicle I bought actually. The Escort was my first vehicle which I bought from my own money. Unfortunately, it didn't do well. So a lot of people that and उसके बाद लगता है Ford and उनका partnership चला गया था. Then Ford came separately. But more importantly, why I like this group is that after that failure also, Mr. Anand Mahindra did not give up of making a car for India by Indians. So ये Make in India तो अभी आया है. But he had the zeal and the farsightedness to do that, and especially after failing in this segment, it's not very easy. Automobile segment में एक बार fail हो गया तो कोई हाथ नहीं डालता. पर उसके बावजूद उन्होंने he said let us try it once again, and the success that you see today here in Kalburgi or anywhere in India is the vehicle Scorpio. मैं आपको बोल रहा था कि हमारे जिला पंचायत मेंबर्स, तालुक पंचायत मेंबर्स इलेक्शन के बाद पहला क्या करते हैं, लोगों का काम नहीं करते, पहले स्कॉर्पियो गाड़ी खरीदी को. So it became a status symbol for a lot of us Indians. And so going by this, today when Scorpio started, I think I was just checking with you whether they had a 36% market share. आपने 19 बोला था, so I cross-verified. Initially they did have a 36.9%. They were well, Tata had 4.9% of the market share apparently. And more importantly, this got exported to other continents which had never happened in India. A completely made in India car had never got in this segment, in the MUV segment, had never been exported. And that is what is really I admire about this group. And then you can imagine from an automobile to tractor to trucks to retail to holidays, and now Mahindra is into aerospace also. So I am sure that one day this group will be making some of the finest aerospace equipment or aircraft, perhaps, I don't know, that will be the pride of India soon, and maybe the Shah Group itself will be marketing them somewhere. Maybe you will also go to the Paris Air Show along with Mahindra Aerospace, because I have been to the Paris Air Show and I think it's a wonderful fair for aerospace. So anyway, the point I was trying to make here is why I admire Mahindra is not only because this group has in it to dream big for India, for Indians, and also ensure it is delivered. Not many groups have that in India. Not many people are taking that kind of risk. And I just heard the features that you mentioned in Scorpio. I think it is Scorpio to the power of N, if I am not mistaken, the way it's written. I just noticed. So it seems like it is that is why it's called the Big Daddy of SUVs, because of all the features that it has and it's affordable. So I don't know how many of you are going to buy this for me over here, who are sitting again. To the power of N it means. So I wish the entire team lots of luck. And as always, I'm sure if so many people have gathered here, all their good wishes are always with the Shah Group, considering how philanthropic and how generous and the great job we've been doing for the people of Kalburgi. So I'll not take much of time because you cannot separate a politician and a mic very quickly. But I understand that this is not the occasion to go on about it. But I profusely and I sincerely thank the Shah Group and especially you, Anandji, for waiting for me to ensure that it is done and giving me the opportunity to speak to our people on this. And I'm sure that considering your communication skills and your marketing prowess, this Scorpio N will do better than the others in the tier 2 towns, because I'm sure your connections will make it you one of the top resellers or top dealers of Mahindra, not only in Karnataka but also in India. So thank you so much for having me over. Thank you.
So regarding the Scorpio N vehicle, we all know that how this entire journey of Scorpio started right from 20 years back, and this entire engineering marvel, you have seen this vehicle, how this was earlier in terms of normal Scorpio, it regenerated to the next version and on and on. So now this current SUV, it is considered not only as a urban or rural, it's a mix of both, and it's a, you can say it's lot of technical advancement has happened on this vehicle in terms of, you can say, safety, in terms of your technological interventions. And this vehicle, if you drive this vehicle, you will get to know what all changes has happened, right from the power, the comfort, the, you can say, the all the new generations feature that has been seeing in all the premium SUVs as well. So this is a compact, you can say, a package of all these features, and it's not only for young segment or an old segment. So anyone can try this vehicle. It is bigger, it is more bulkier, and that's why the name Scorpio N has happened. It means Scorpio to the power of N. So everything has been raised to the power of N, right from power, the looks, the stance, the safety, everything has been raised to the power of N. And that's how this vehicle has been brought to you. So my request, please come to Shah Motors, experience this vehicle, drive the vehicle, and you will know by yourself why this is different.
I, Ansh Shah, would like to present the vote of thanks on behalf of Shah Motors and our family. Special thanks to our chief guest, Shri Priyank Kharge sir, for gracing this occasion and also inspiring us with his wonderful thoughts. I would like to thank our guest of honor, Siddharth sir, Mahindra & Mahindra Area Sales Manager, Karnataka, for coming all the way from the Bangalore and motivating us for the grand launch. Last but not the least, I would like to thank each of our beloved customers, friends and well-wishers who are also encouraging, and without them, we won't be able to be a part of this wonderful organization. Thank you and happy evening once again.
आज शाह ग्रुप की तरफ से महिंद्रा का नया एसयूवी जो है स्कॉर्पियो एन का इधर लॉन्च हुआ है, और जैसा का नाम सजेस्ट करता है, इट इज़ स्कॉर्पियो टू द पावर ऑफ एन. तो फीचर्स भी ज़्यादा है और इंटेलिजेंस भी इसमें ज़्यादा है, इंजीनियरिंग मार्वल है. तो मैं बहुत शुक्रगुज़ार हूँ आनंद जी का कि इस व्हीकल को कलबुर्गी में लॉन्च के लिए मुझे इनवाइट किया और एक मौका मिला सब लोगों से बात करने के लिए, क्योंकि महिंद्रा का गाड़ी मेरा पहला गाड़ी था जो 10-15 साल पहले. तो अभी आनंद जी ने एक नया महिंद्रा दिखाया, देखेंगे, उनसे भी बात करके हो सके तो ये गाड़ी भी उनसे ही मांग लेंगे. बट ऑल सेड एंड डन, ये दिस इज़ अ गुड साइन फॉर कलबुर्गी, क्योंकि इसमें हमारी कलबुर्गी की तरक्की नज़र आती है कि ऐसे बड़ी बड़ी गाड़ियाँ हमारे यहाँ बिक सकती है. हमारे इसके लिए एक मार्केट है हमारे कलबुर्गी में. तो एक पहले जो कलबुर्गी था वो कलबुर्गी इतना तरक्की किया करके एक संदेश भी इसमें है, और इसका श्रेय हमारे बहुत से जो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स है, हमारे जो बिजनेसमैन है कलबुर्गी, उनके लिए भी जाता है. जितना श्रेय हमारे फार्मर्स को जाता है, इतना श्रेय हमारे यंग बिजनेसमैन लाइक आनंद जी को भी ये श्रेय जाता है, क्योंकि उन्होंने ये सब कंस्ट्रेंट्स के बावजूद ये एक इकोसिस्टम डेवलप किया है ऑटोमोबाइल का, इंडस्ट्रीज़ का, बिज़नेस का. एंड उनके वजह से बहुत से लोग उनसे प्रेरित होके ये भी बिज़नेस में आ रहे हैं. तो इट इज़ बोथ अ मिक्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज़, प्राइवेट एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एंड आल्सो डायनामिज्म ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स लाइक आनंद जी दैट हैज़ एंश्योर्ड दैट कलबुर्गी इज़ नाउ ऑन द मैप ऑफ कर्नाटका.
आज हम लोग यहाँ पे इकट्ठा हुए हैं स्कॉर्पियो लॉन्च के लिए, और ये लॉन्च हमारे ऑनरेबल एमएलए चितापुर श्री प्रियांक खरगे सर के हाथ से हुआ है. मैं पहले शाह मोटर्स की तरफ से उनका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ कि उन्होंने वक्त निकाला और आज ये फंक्शन में आके इसकी शोभा बढ़ाई है. और स्कॉर्पियो एन, स्कॉर्पियो ये बहुत बड़ा नाम है ऑटोमोबाइल में. महिंद्रा का स्कॉर्पियो ये बहुत सक्सेसफुल व्हीकल माना जाता है. स्कॉर्पियो अभी उसका नया मॉडल स्कॉर्पियो एन लेके आया है इंडियन मार्केट में. और अगर आप गाड़ी के फीचर्स देखेंगे, गाड़ी का बिल्ड देखेंगे, तो गाड़ी ऑलरेडी बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर हो गया है. अगर आप गूगल करेंगे या डिजिटल में उसका जो एडवर्टाइजिंग या फिर जो रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है अभी कस्टमर्स का, तो बहुत बढ़िया आ रहा है. एंड वी आर वेरी श्योर कि दिस व्हीकल विल डू वंडर्स इन इंडियन मार्केट। सर गाड़ी देखिए, यूएसपी मिलेगा आपको ये रेंज में, ये प्राइसिंग में, इतने फीचर्स लोडेड कहीं नहीं मिलेगा सर आपको, दैट आई कैन एश्योर यू।